3, 2, 1. Hi everybody, my name is Greg Oden with Sennheiser. I'm a technical application engineer here at InfoComm, and we're going to talk about the TCCM Plus, our newest ceiling mic offering here at Sennheiser. So the TCCM Plus is the next iteration of evolution from our TeamConnect ceiling medium microphones, and what we've given the microphone is the ability to talk to the IoT. So what that means is that you no longer have to use Control Cockpit in order to set it up. You have full access to the device over the web UI simply by putting the device's name into your web browser, or you've got the ability to extend the microphone's connectivity out to your Device Hub cloud dashboard, which is going to give you global access to your entire inventory over the cloud. Another feature that we've added to the TCCM Plus is Partner Link. We've partnered with Q-SYS to be able to make the TCCM available natively inside Q-SYS Designer, so it'll populate there with the rest of your QLAN devices and make it super easy. Go to www.sennheiser.com for more information. Thank you.